going to the Lagoon. This is all old. He said 800-year-old lava. Blue Lagoon.
So with this sand, we gotta remove it before we got. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you like it?
I am in my hotel room. I arrived to my hotel. I got a free upgrade. Look at the bed. It's a big bed. It's a big bed. And then fancy washroom. Fancy fancy. Yeah, this is my room. A free upgrade. And then a beautiful view. I'm going on a little adventure. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. I wanted to see the puffins, but the latest is at 3, and I kind of want to eat before I go, so I won't make it. But I will go on Friday instead. Big day today. Big hiking day. Let's go. Time for breakfast. Yeah, these bikes are not bikes, these scooters are everywhere. And they just leave it. So I guess no one steals it here. Because it's just, look. Like their bikes. There, but it's like everywhere. Those scooters, I just every corner. Guys, look! The mountains. I was talking about breakfast. So I ordered a ham and cheese sandwich. It was really good. And then I got coffee, which wasn't really good.
Photoshop, so don't go wandering off. I'm just going to walk up to the boat. I'm going to show you what the word actually looks like.
I'm at a waterfall. I'm going to a mountain to see the glaciers. Very rocky. We are really close to the iceberg. Black sand beach where there's deadly waves apparently. Snake waves, they sneak up on you. And then look. first time behind a waterfall and also drinking from the water. So this is it, and then this river. I am at a lighthouse, a young lighthouse. Gorgeous view. And it's currently sunset. The sunset is here at 10 or 9:30 to 10. And right now it is 8:45 and it's still bright, which is nice. Guys, Icelandic geese. And it's red. They're saying it's hot iron lava, so that's why it's red compared to other lava. And then it's just a big crater, and it's so beautiful. I'm currently between two tectonic plates. There are these gorgeous falls. I'll show you. On top of a volcano, and this is the crater. Extremely windy. Volcanic crater. This is a volcanic crater. all the tours. Now I'm going to a coffee shop that the tour guide recommended. 25-minute walk. And I think it's gonna rain. Cat. Today is still an exciting day because I'm gonna see some Puffin and then maybe another museum. We'll see.
Oh, sorry. No, you can talk here.